feel it. I can feel the power. Yes. Yeah.
Fuck, are we winning again? Tell a broke nigga shut up. Tell a rich nigga what up. That better broke nigga holla.
What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back again for another review. Today we have a special pair we're picking up today and want to review. I say that all the time, but these really are special, man. I'm actually excited. I'm not even gonna, you know what? You see the box. If you guys know, you already know what this is. These are none other than the YEEZY Boost 380, and the special colorway of these is the CALCITE GLOW. I know you guys probably seen a couple reviews on the internet already. I waited. I got these early, and I wanted to make sure I touched on the areas that other people did not touch on, and that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to pick up where others left off. Alright, so right off the bat, the first thing you notice is the way they did the prime knit on these. If you look, there's actually 3 colors. There's the gray right here, and then there's this hint of this glow in the dark green, as well as a white. And to me, I first thought, man, they're cheating us. They're putting hints of green right here, so it looks like it's glowing in the dark during the daytime, and it's not really glowing. Those are my initial responses. I was thinking, and I was like, man, this is a green sole. They're just going cheap. But as we went outside and I later saw, I was like, yo, these things are the truth right here, man. In addition, the first thing I've noticed, well, the second thing I noticed is the way they did the lacing. The lacing on these is so unique. So unique in the sense of you actually don't tie these up. You don't tie them, which is fine. If you wear your actual size, I used to go half a size up. So I like to have more comfort, more boost, more better. That's how I look at it. So you have your lacing right here. Like I said, no laces, so I can't do anything funky with them. Unless I was to cut it, and then I could probably do a few things. But I like this the way it is. I'm keeping it the way it is for right now. Next we're gonna have right here is gonna be the boost. Boost is life. If you look closely, you can see the boost is, it's not as much boost as it looks on the shoe. The boost is probably about right here, and it gets thinner all the way around, right up here. The amount of comfort this is right around the same level of comfort as the other Yeezys that came out. These pair right here. I still think this pair right here has more boost in it, but at the same time, this is a different design, and I actually like this a little bit more. Could be because these are new. You know, like when a parent has a kid, they love the youngest more. That's kind of where I'm at right now. Maybe a little biased. Maybe a month from now I'll tell you which one I like more. But as you guys look at this one, look at this pair, the silhouette of how they done this shoe is very similar. Very similar. Now notice on this one, you don't have the lock in the back, the pull tab in the back, which is fine. Because like I said, once you put your foot in, it's not much pulling to do. And then if you look right here, very similar. But enough about this shoe. We came to see this shoe. This, man, is a great shoe. I don't know. It's just so much. I don't know, man. I don't know what to say. It's just so much I like about this shoe. You have the traction right here, and you have the boost, of course, right here. Like I said, this whole, anything you see that green glows. Just remember that. Anything you see that's green glows. So, for $250, I think this is well worth it. Of course, the fitting of this one, me personally, I go half a size up. I think you guys should, of course, if you're able to try a pair on one, definitely do that first. Try before you buy. But I really love this. The hints of the brown calcite and the toe tones of the different color whites with the neon fluorescent glow really brings this shoe out, man. So, there it is.
Add it up, add it up, add it up. Niggas the prey, we the predator. It's like R. Kelly invented us. Making dirty money janitors. I just come sick like it's Canada's. Niggas gon' hate, but they fan of us. Fuck them niggas, we just add it up. Add it up, 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 add it up. Niggas is mad at the champ. Fuck, we winning again. Niggas is mad at the champ. Fuck, we winning again. Add it up, 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 add it up. Niggas is mad at the champ. Fuck, we winning again. Niggas is mad at the champ. Fuck, we winning again.
Add it up, add it up, add it up, add it up. So many people is hating the God. Add it up, add it up, add it up, add it up. I just be waiting for hating to stop. Bitches is hating, they waiting to pop. Lady is making her way to the top. Copping the coupe and I'm dropping the roof on a block pillow. Whoop, whole day come alive. Black Porsche Panamera type scary. Tryna have a lamb like Mary. Pull up on the gram like rarely. Post a couple bitches in my man like barely. What the fuck is you bitching about? Verification is tripping you out. You wanted to check on your page and you pressed, and I wanted to check on my business account. Add it up, add it up, add it up, add it up. Didn't give a fuck if them bitches was mad at us. See him in public, I never was pressed. Hated to love it, I never could stress. Get at your nigga and run up a check in his front of my.
Y'all see that? And these are basically green LED lights.
They're empty.
This shit is glowing, boy.
Hey, yo. Your slippers in the frame.
Fuck, we winning again. Niggas is mad at the champ. Fuck, we winning.